Toshiba today introduced new dynaEdge AR smart glasses for enterprise customers, which is a wearable augmented reality (AR) solution that combines dynaEdge AR100 mobile mini PC with Windows 10 Pro and dynaEdge AR100 Head Mounted Display (HMD). Toshiba says that the AR solution provides document viewing, live video calls, see what I see, photo/video capture, alerts/messaging, workflow instruction and barcode scanning capabilities, making it ideal for a variety of use cases, including maintenance, remote expert, manufacturing, QA inspection and audit, logistics, training, and knowledge transfer. The wearable Toshiba AR100 head-mounted display weighs about 50 grams and can be used with either the left or right eye based on your preference. It has an integrated micro-display that provides a viewing experience equivalent to a 4.1-inch display seen at 14 inches and has an integrated touchpad, GPS, 3-axis accelerometer with a gyroscope for head tracking, 5MP POV camera, speaker, and dual noise-canceling microphones for voice communications. It offers lens-less frame, safety helmet mounts and headband, offering flexibility and comfort demanded by enterprises deploying wearable solutions. The AR100 HMD is developed in a partnership. The Toshiba's wearable dynaEdge AR100 mobile mini PC has a 5-button, on-device navigation system to enable up/down, left/right toggles as well as an enter button. By combining that with the swipe and tap functionality afforded by the integrated touchpad on the dynaEdge AR100 head-mounted display, users can easily navigate, find, open and operate applications seamlessly without needing a traditional keyboard and mouse, said the company. It also has a fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access to the dynaEdge AR smart glasses. It comes with a removable battery that offers an optional external battery charger that charges 4 batteries simultaneously. It has Intel 6th generation Core M processor with Intel HD graphics, 4GB 8GB or 16GB LPDDR3 RAM, 128GB, 256GB or 512GB SATA M.2 SSD, Intel Dual Band AC8260 with Wi-Fi 8000 and 21.11 AC, 2x2, plus Bluetooth, 3G/LTE, optional, microSD slot, USB 3.0, USB Type-C, Gen 1, display out, and headphone/microphone combo. It measures 165x85x20 mm and weighs 310 grams. The Toshiba dynaEdge AR smart glasses will be available in Q2 2018 starting at $1,899.99, Rs 1,23,510 approximate, and comes in various configurations with processor, memory, and storage options as well as developers kits for different industrial applications.